I'm Bradley and welcome back. Today we're talking about audio. I'm gonna give you 3 free tips to help you improve audio on any microphone. We're gonna ditch the shotgun microphone, we're gonna ditch the lavalier, and just use the onboard microphone and the Canon M50. Let's switch over. Now that we've moved the lavalier microphones, no shotguns, and we're just using the onboard microphone with the M50, let's talk about how we can improve this audio real quick. The first tip is overlooked and a lot of people forget about this. Low hummings or background noise can be really annoying. So take your time and turn off the devices around you, like the heater or the fan. Now, if you ask me, that sounds a lot better. There's still an echo to deal with, and I have a tip for that right now. For tip number 2, get closer to your microphone. Having a wide angle lens goes perfect with this tip, so it allows you to get closer and show off a nice amount of background and space. But getting closer to your microphone will give you a clear, crisp sounding voice compared to standing all the way back over here and getting that echo or that tinny kind of sound. Make sure you do your testing when it comes to this tip. Getting too close to your microphone or talking too loud when you're this close can cause some distortion or unwanted clipping within your audio. It can become hard to hear and just unpleasant to listen to in general. For tip number 3, we actually gotta head to the car. I'll see you there. Now that we're out in the car, let's turn off the air. Let's turn off the engine. And listen to that, silence. I'll get a little closer to the microphone. Nice, clean, crisp audio. Cars are small, so they reduce on echo, and they already have soundproofing to help with road noise. So that in itself is a benefit compared to wherever you may be filming if you haven't soundproofed anything yet. Like I said, these tips apply to any microphone. So when you get a shotgun microphone or a wireless lavalier system, you can get closer. You can eliminate background noise. And that way, when you get these items, you're already killing your audio game and no one can touch you. I'm Brad G Media signing out. I hope you all are having a blessed day. I sure know I am. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.